In this video, I'll teach you how to draw a Hendecagon in MSW logo. First of all, a Hendecagon has 11 sides, so we would repeat the command for 11 times. To do this, we will type in repeat 11 and then square brackets to add our expression. We will then move the turtle 100 units by typing in FD 100. A regular Hendecagon has internal angles of 360 divided by 11 sides, so we would turn the turtle to the right by this angle after each forward movement. The angle should be added after the command for the right turn, which is RT. You can also use LT for a left turn, but I personally prefer RT. After that, click Enter. For any tutorial requests, please leave a comment.